Selamünaleyküm arkadaşlar, merhaba. Bugün ünite 7'ye geçiyoruz beraber. Kitaplarımızı açalım. Remember that sound? You missed that sound, I think. Open Unit 7. Yes. Page 83. Yes. The title is Mind and Body. What do you see in the picture? Yes. Two people, two young men, probably, are parachuting. Yes, they are parachuting. What are they doing? They are parachuting. Now there are some statements. Let's read the statements. Read these statements. Which ones do you think are true? Which ones surprise you? Yes, there are some interesting statements here. Let's see. Which ones do you think are true? Which ones surprise you? 1. Your heart beats about 100,000 times a day. Your heart beats about 100,000 times a day. Interesting, right? We didn't know that. 2. Your feet contain about 25% of the bones in your body. Do you know what bones means? The hardest part in our body. Yes, it means kemik. 3. Your brain works faster than the fastest computer. Yes, not surprising because we are making them. 4. Your ears and nose never stop growing. That's why my nose is very big. It's still growing. 5. A caterpillar's body has more muscle than your body. Yes, guys, a caterpillar is more muscle than us. A caterpillar's body has more muscles than your body. Interesting, right? 6. Your foot is as long as the distance between your wrist and your elbow. Your foot is as long as the distance between your wrist and your elbow. Subhanallah. Yes, as you see here, everything is is calculated by Allah, as you see here. Now, which ones do you think are true? Are they true? Do you think they are true? Let's see. Yes, they are all true. Which one surprised you? You can discuss to yourself. Yes, let's move to second step. Yes, sometimes our eyes can play tricks on us. Sometimes our eyes can deceive us, can cheat us. Look at these optical illusions. Which do you like the best? Sometimes our eyes can play tricks on us. Look at these optical illusions. Which do you like the best? For example, which man is the tallest? A, B, or C? Do you have an idea? Would you like to measure them? Let's see. Yes, they're all the same height. It's interesting. So the perspective is very different here. Perspective can deceive us, can cheat us. 2. Look at the black shape. What's happening to it? Look at the black shape. What's happening to it? I think it likes getting bigger. It looks like getting bigger. Maybe. Let's see. Yes, it seems to be getting bigger. But actually not. 3. Can you see an old woman with a big nose? Maybe when we look at first sight, we can see an old woman. But if you turn your book upside down, you can do it easily. But I can't turn my laptop upside down easily, so you can do it. Now what you see? Yes, a beautiful young lady or princess. Yes, with a crown. Yes, with a crown. Crown means touch. Next, now we have a video. We have a video. Let's watch it. And did your eyes play tricks on you? Let's watch the video.
This is a very cool illusion. It's very simple and very effective. I just have a paper dragon. And when I move the camera around, you can see the dragon's head follows the camera. But when you take a closer look at the paper dragon, you can see how it does this.
Very interesting indeed. Very good trick. Yes. Did your eyes play tricks on you? Yes, of course it did. Normally, it's not a 3-dimensional, but we saw it as 3-dimensional. Normally, it's just a paper, and it's not turning its head. But we thought it did. Now, let's move the page. Yes, reading. Look at these ideas and take examples of risky behavior. Yes, risky behavior. Behavior means davranışız. Why are these activities dangerous? What might happen? What might the dangerous or danger happen here? Look at these ideas and take examples of risky. Which ones are more risky? For example, going on a roller coaster. Who says that? Who says it's dangerous? Skateboarding down steps. Jumping off a cliff into the sea. Jumping off a cliff into the sea. Cliff means kayalık. Jumping off a cliff into the sea. Driving at 120 mile per hour. mph means mile per hour. It's speed. Driving at 120 mile per hour speed. 5. Riding motorbike. Riding a motorbike, skydiving, or bungee jumping. Which ones do you think are dangerous, more dangerous than others, for example? For example, what might be the danger or what might happen if we do them? If we try going on a roller coaster, it's just thrilled. We feel thrilled, excited. Skateboarding down steps, yes, it's exciting again. It doesn't look so dangerous, at least more than others. Jumping off a cliff into the sea, yes, it sounds very risky. Jumping off a cliff into the sea, it sounds really risky. Driving at 120 mile per hour, yeah, it's normal. In Istanbul, maybe everyone drives like that. If there is no traffic, of course. Riding a motorbike, yes, it looks fun. It sounds fun. Skydiving, yes, I'd like to do it. Skydiving, but I think it's very risky again. It's extreme sport, very extreme sport maybe. Bungee jumping, yes, it's different and extreme and dangerous for me. Yes, these are some extreme sports or extreme things to try. Next. Yes, we have a text here. Skim text quickly to find out which age group they refer to. Skim text. Skim text means finding some information in a text. To read something, to find some information, specific information in a text. We call it skim reading. So skim the text quickly to find out, to understand which age group they refer to. Let's listen.
Unit 7. Reading. A. Wednesday, 18th November. Dear Diary, worst day of my life. I can't go to the party with Brad tonight. Dad says I'm grounded for a week. All because of a stupid mistake. I was driving too fast and the police stopped me. Now I have to pay a fine and I might have to pay for a lawyer. I know I was driving at 113 miles an hour. Of course they said I mustn't drive so carelessly. It's not fair because I was concentrating really hard. The weather was good, there was no traffic, I was paying attention. Dad didn't see it that way, of course. He said an accident at that speed could easily kill you. You must be crazy to drive so fast. I apologised, but he might not give me the car keys again. My social life is over.
B. Dr. Julie Skinner helps parents with their family problems.
Many readers write to me about their teenage children's troubles. Often, they describe how depressed teenagers feel if their friends leave them out of activities. For teenagers, belonging to a social group is extremely important. If your 15-year-old is not invited to a party, it might not seem important to you, but to her, it could feel like the end of the world. Parents may be surprised to learn that there is a good reason for this. Studies have shown that when a teenager is not included in a social group's activities, the effect on the teenage brain can be serious. In fact, the brain behaves in almost the same way as it does when there are other dangers. For example, threats to physical health, which can make a person feel that their life is at risk.
C. Why is age the key to risky behavior? A video game with the answer. Although 14 to 17-year-olds may be the biggest risk takers, research shows that they understand danger as well as adults do. So why do they take more chances? Lawrence Steinberg, a psychologist and expert in teenage behavior, uses a video game to show the difference between teen and adult behavior. In the game, the players have to drive through town as quickly as possible. As in real life, there are traffic lights which may change colour as you approach. Players can save time if they drive through before the lights turn red, but the game punishes anyone who drives through a red light. Both teens and adults take similar risks when they do this alone. However, when a teen drives with his friends watching, he takes twice as many risks as when he is alone. Steinberg thinks it is the social reward that encourages this age group to take more risks. D. Problem page. Got a problem? Write to Jackie and she'll give you good advice.
Dear Jackie, I'm really upset because my friends have stopped talking to me. It started when one of them told me an embarrassing secret. I know I should have told my best friend because she couldn't help telling all her friends too. I know I made a mistake and I have said I am sorry, but none of them wants to hang out with me now. I feel so depressed because when I try to talk to them, they just laugh at me. I have sent them messages, but they send nasty messages back. What can I do? Dolores.
Yes, skim text quickly to find out which age group they refer to. Do you have an idea? Let's see. Yes, teenagers, mostly teenagers. They're talking about mostly teenagers. Next. Yes, now we have questions about the text. Yes, let's read it once and try to answer these questions. You have 5 minutes to do it, guys. You have 5 minutes to do it. Yes, your time has started. I think 5 minutes is very long. 3 minutes enough. You can check text while doing it. You can check test. Yes, time's up. Let's see the answers at once. Yes. What was dangerous about the writer's behavior? He was driving at high speed. Yes, that was dangerous. What is the writer's punishment? He can't go out for a week. This is the punishment. Question 3. What's the purpose of Dr. Skinner's article? Yes, to explain the science behind teenagers' behavior. 4. When do teenagers take more risks than adults? When do teenagers take more risks than adults? Yes, when they are with friends. They feel more courageous, I think. 5. How does the writer feel? Yes, very bad, miserable. Yes. Very sad. 6. Which section include information about the importance of peers in teenagers' life? Which sections include information about the importance of peers? Peers means akran, the same age group people. Peers in a teenager's life. Yes, all sections have information about this. 7, and the final question. In which section is someone asking for help? Yes, D. Yes. Next step. Yes, we have learned some new words here. Yes. You have 1 minute to do it. Let's start. Okay. Do you have your own answers? Okay, let's do it together then. Sam felt blah 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 when he lost his dog. How does a person feel when he loses his dog? Of course, depressed. Exercising your brain is as important as exercise. Exercise your brain. Your brain means mental exercise. As important as, yes, physical exercise. A cold is not a cold is getting cold. It means getting cold is not a, yes, it's not a serious illness. Not a serious illness. It's easy one. A simple one. Winning the match was an enormous, winning the match. After you win the match, how do you feel? Enormous thrill, of course. Excitement, it means. The teacher worried about her students' change in, yes, behavior, of course. Behavior means how you act. It means davranış. And on one left, ever since his accident, Joe has had trouble with his knee. Yes. Are your answers true? All correct? Very nice. Which of these activities can have an effect on your mind and or your body? Tick the boxes and discuss your answers with the partner. Are the effects positive or negative? Which of these activities can have an effect on your mind or body? For example, a good social life. Does it have a good effect or effect on our mind or body? Mind, mostly, yes. Mostly mind, we can say. Playing a sport, of course, the answers are optional. You can choose this one and the other one can choose the other. So there is no exact answer. There is no only one true answer, only one correct answer. You can change your mind, by the way. A good social life is about mind. Playing a sport is about body mostly. And also you feel nice as mind, as mental activity. Playing computer games is mostly about your mind. Eating junk food is all about your body because it makes healthy or unhealthy if you eat it if you eat very often. Taking medicine, I think it's both. Maybe because you're ill and you take medicine to recover, to heal. So I think it is related to both. Yes, our lesson is over about reading now. See you in next video, inshallah. Take care and be healthy. Bye.